Hello and welcome to this video. Today in this video we will learn about cathode ray tube, its working and its role in the development of computer graphics. So let's start. with what is cathode ray tube. A cathode ray tube or CRT is a vacuum tube that is used in display devices where electron beams are directed to illuminate or light up phosphorus on a screen. It works by emitting electron beams which strikes phosphorus on the screen to produce visible images. CRTs were widely used in televisions, monitors, and oscilloscopes before modern flat panel displays took over. Here you can see the image of a cathode ray tube with all the labels. Now let's see how a cathode ray tube works. First, the cathode heats up and then releases electrons, a process called thermionic emission. These electrons are then accelerated and focused into a beam by the electron gun. The deflecting system use electric or magnetic field to direct this beam to a specific point on the screen. When the electrons strike the phosphorus coating, which is the fluorescent screen, they emit light, forming images. Here you can see the cathode where the electron beams are emitted, and it is through this beam it gets hit on this phosphorus screen. Now talking about the applications of CRTs. CRTs were significant in the development of computer graphics. They powered early video games. In computer-aided design systems, CRTs allowed designers to visualize complex models. They were also essential in oscilloscopes for scientific and technical analysis. Also, CRTs served as the primary display technology for every televisions and computer monitors. Now talking about the advantages and limitations of CRTs, it had significant advantages such as high refresh rate, excellent color accuracy, and affordability. But they also had limitations that they were bulky, heavy, and consumed a lot of energy. Additionally, CRTs were prone to image burn-in, which made them less suitable for long-term static displays. With the rise of LCD and LED displays, CRTs have become largely outdated. Modern displays are thinner, lighter, more energy efficient, and offers higher resolution. However, CRTs remain significant in the history of computer graphics as they lay the foundation for today's advanced technologies. In conclusion, the cathode ray tube was a revolutionary technology that played a crucial role in the evolution of computer graphics. It introduced dynamic displays to the world, which paved the way for advanced screen we use today. Thank you for watching the video. If you found this video helpful, please share, like, and subscribe for more content like this.